Hello, my name's Daniel here at Stafford Land Rover, and today I'm going to be taking you around this approved used Range Rover Sport Dynamic SE finished in Santorini black. This D300 model features the 3-litre mild hybrid diesel engine paired with the automatic transmission. It's a very capable SUV. It does sit nicely on 22-inch alloy wheels, and it features pixel LED headlights which light up the road nicely, providing you with great visibility. In the boot you'll find 970 litres of space. This can be increased to 1,827 litres with the rear seats down. Taking a look inside to the rear of the vehicle, you'll find the deep garnet and ebony interior. It features ISOFIX points on the outer seats, so you can easily fit a child seat into the vehicle. Up front you have your leather wrapped multifunction steering wheel. Moving around and up top, this Sport features a panoramic sunroof allowing sunlight to flood the interior. Moving to the front seats, and you do have plenty of adjustment in the driver's seat, so you can easily find the perfect driving position. On the multifunction steering wheel to the left there's controls to adjust the infotainment system, and to the right you have your cruise control. On the display here in the instrument cluster you've got access to a range of different vehicle settings, and you can customise the information shown on the display to suit your own preference. Centred here in the dashboard you have your Privy Pro touchscreen display, providing you with access to a range of different features like DAB radio. You can connect your phone up with Bluetooth to safely make hands-free phone calls while on the go. And there's also your built-in navigation to ensure you're never lost, allowing you to head to all new places with ease. The system also has compatibility with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, keeping you well connected with compatible apps. Also on the display you have your dual zone automatic climate control. There's also heated and ventilated front seats to keep you at the perfect temperature no matter the weather. This Sport comes fitted with front and rear parking sensors, a 360 camera with 3D view, making parking super easy for you. In the centre console you will find your automatic gear selector along with 2 cup holders. Thanks for watching this walk around video of this approved used Range Rover Sport Dynamic SE finished in Santorini black. For more information, please get in contact with a member of our sales team who'll be more than happy to help with your inquiry.